ordered a week ago. We ordered this from Amazon and it came from Florida. The name of the farm is Perfect Plants. It came in good condition and the packaging also was very good. After I ordered this online, I did a lot of research to see if pomegranate can be planted in New Jersey. Then I found that if you protect them from the winter, the first few years it will survive in Zone 6B. If any one of you have experience with a pomegranate tree in New Jersey, please let us know in the comment section. This is the fig tree that we planted last year. It survived one winter in New Jersey.